How you doing, sir? Fish and Wildlife. The reason I'm coming over is there's no spearfishing allowed in this area. It's prohibited.
The officer observes two divers spearfishing in a restricted area.
Oh, that's not in this area?
No, sir.
Did not know.
Who's that guy?
That's Alberto. That's the with us.
Is he spearfishing also?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Watch your legs. I'm going to come up alongside. Where are y'all from?
The fishermen were caught spearfishing in the Key Largo existing management area, which, as of the date of this video, is a restricted zone for spearfishing. It is right off the Atlantic coast of Key Largo and part of the National Marine Sanctuary. A fisherman on the vessel admits to spearing several fish. They hand over a hogfish, mangrove snapper, and a schoolmaster snapper.
Hog's 15 because it's measured fork length. And it's got to be, yes, fork length. It's got to be 16.
Thought it was what you left.
No, it's not total length. No, sir.
Give me that.
That back. And the mangrove snapper in federal waters, which is where you are, even though you're in a prohibited area, they got to be 12.
The officer measured all three fish and determined that all were under the legal size limit. The officer issued the spearfishermen a warning for the undersized fish, but gave them a federal citation for spearfishing in a restricted area, with a price tag ranging from $100 to $500.
All right, folks, be safe, please. Thank you.
Thanks for watching.